If you ever think, why do hiccups stop when we drink water? Hiccups happen when the diaphragm contracts suddenly and involuntarily. This usually occurs because the vagus or phrenic nerve becomes irritated. When you sip water, swallowing movements are activated. Each swallow sends steady signals through the vagus nerve to the brain. These signals help the diaphragm regain its normal rhythm. As a result, the sudden contractions stop and your hiccups are gone. Sip slowly for the best effect. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe.